Hey guys, I just wanted to share this with you. Please watch the video in its entirety. I want you guys to understand why seniors a lot of times are misled into this coronavirus situation as to it not being a big deal. Because the majority of the seniors, do watch Fox News. And this is a video clip I'd like you guys to watch. I don't know if you remember, I went live on Facebook at the Satellite Hotel calling for a meeting that they refused to have about the coronavirus. It wasn't until I went live the next morning, they called an emergency coronavirus meeting, only to present very false facts and mislead all the seniors at the building. Keep in mind, there's hundreds of seniors at this building. Most of them are over 70 years old. So this is my personal battle to try to get some knowledge in that building, and this is an attempt for the world to see why our seniors, the class of people that are most at risk for the coronavirus, are being misled by such people as these. Please watch the video in its entirety, so hopefully there'll be some change.
2 cases have been seen in the U.S.
Excuse me, that's misleading. That says 2 cases have been seen in the U.S., and that is misleading. That is misleading.
My apologies.
Because that is not fact, that is not up to date.
From 2012 to November.
That is not up to date. 2012 to November of 2019 is doing nothing for us today. Excuse me. The coronavirus since November 2019 has a whole new data than this. So I would ask where you got this from. I would ask where you got this from and make sure it was up to date to today's standard of what's happening today from the CDC. I don't know where you got this, but those dates already from 2012 to 2019 November have nothing to do with what's going on now. And for you to say 2 cases in the U.S. is misleading these residents here today.
I'd like to ask Justice Gina's presentation.
Yes, but I'm not going to allow for miseducation or
Please give
no.
me some history as to this.
Well,
if you would allow him to
well, we don't have a
finish.
time for a history class. We have time for what's happening today.
Well, just wait. Yeah.
If you look at that, this is the MERS-CoV. This is not the current coronavirus.
Exactly. So why are we talking about
I
it?
think if we'll allow him to finish, if you can't order and respect that, we will have to ask you to
Would you like
leave.
to go ahead and do your presentation first?
No, I would just like to not waste time. A lot of people need to know the urgency of this, and by stating there's been 2 cases in the U.S., somebody could
Would
be
you
hard.
allow him to finish his presentation and see if you then disagree?
Okay.
The vaccine, if you have not had one.
Pardon me.
No, I'm sorry, this is a presentation. The floor is not open as he wait.
The most recent I could find was January, so I did not use any recent number. I do want to direct that possible because EC is correct. I did not use the recent, so I was giving background on how the virus originated. Because I do not have anything current for February, I did not pull the January data. I can pull it as well right now. We do have, I believe, 194 cases of coronavirus in the U.S. that they're looking into. Not a case has been confirmed as of this moment.
Sir.
That was the most recent I could see as of January. So
Okay.
anything past January, I have not, the CDC has not updated the information yet.
Thank you, Jess.
I would like to say, in all reality,
You've got 3 minutes to make your point.
okay, I would like to say in all reality, that was very, very poor research.
Thank you.
First of all, I get 3 minutes. First of all, this is an urgent issue. This has now spread through Italy, Germany, all the countries that is listed here. It is now throughout, rampant through California as a community as of January. Excuse me, I have 3 minutes.
No, you interrupted multiple times. That is false information. It is not rampant. Choose your words correctly, sir.
But it surely is not no cases
I
confirmed.
did not say that.
But your general manager just did. Just hear me out. My 3 minutes, please. My 3 minutes, please. I asked for my time back. My 3 minutes, please. Since January, excuse me. I will start my 3 minutes over. I'm starting my 3 minutes over. I'm not going to be disruptive of this whole meeting. I have 3 minutes, and I will not be my thoughts
Excuse me,
disrupted.
the process is a member and owner may have 3 minutes. You may not like what he has to say. He has the right to do 3 minutes. Your time begins now.
I would like whoever's interrupting be asked to be removed. because I have my right to speak.
Wait,
You guys,
no,
you guys-
no, okay,
excuse
you were
me.
stopping, you
This is
interrupted,
wasting my
we didn't
time.
ask you to remove.
Yes, but he was
Start your
presenting false
minutes now.
facts. He was presenting false facts. Okay, so let's go to here. To here. And all of you that are moaning and groaning, this is going to affect you. If you're not aware with the coronavirus, who it kills, it is infants and seniors. Face it, it is on its way. We are a building, we share mutual air, and our management here has no plan of action to protect us. I suggest that we shut the hotel down immediately. It's hitting us now. Excuse me. It has 14 days of incubation. It is already throughout California, already throughout Atlanta, and it's already been seen in Denver, and it's a hub right here. We are on Airport Road, meaning we are close to the airport, and those people are going to be coming right to the airport, bringing it here. Shut down the hotel business. We don't need that money right now. Get somebody at the gate of the entrance to make sure that you live here, to get in here. Make sure that there's sanitizers at the elevator. Everybody's wearing masks. You don't protect yourself by covering your mouth. You wear masks just like the rest of the world. You protect yourself with gloves. You protect yourself with sanitizing the elevators and the buttons. And you protect yourself, manager, by making sure that when you present to these people, you present accurate information from the CDC, not from wherever you got this from that's outdated, because in the last 30 days, this coronavirus has run rampant. So you have failed in your research. Now I'm going to tell you seriously, you need to take this serious. You need to look on your own and research yourself, because these people are not doing it for you. You guys are the ones at risk. You guys are the ones that are at extremely risk, and the rest of the world knows it. We're the only ones sitting here like sitting ducks, and none of our management that we pay fat bonuses for are doing anything to train our management, our stewardess. These women are going in there and cleaning rooms when people are coming from the airport that could possibly have this in their 14-day incubation with no protection. And you guys are the ones that are going to not be able to fight this off. So while you guys are shutting me up, you guys want to listen to this false information from a date that's not even valid right now? That is very, very dumb. You need to take this serious just like the rest of the world is. They don't shut off whole countries, shut down whole countries, borders, airplanes, Hong Kong, China, everything, because it's not a threat. This is a serious threat. It needs to be taken serious, and our leaders need to take it serious and give us some protection. All I'm asking is you take it serious, get some more security around here, shut our border around here, protect ourselves, because we are seniors. We cannot. You can't. Okay, it's shown. You cannot. It is very, very serious. This is not the common cold. All right? So to be nonchalant about it and give us some backdated stuff that isn't even valid. Why would you even pick something from Colorado when the CDC updates every minute? I have it right here on my phone. Right here on my phone. So it's not just cover your mouth when you cough. It's wear gloves 100% of the time. It's also aerosolized, people. It is not just by touching someone or coughing on them. It stays on something up to 9 days.
Alright.
That means if I touch, excuse me.
Your 3 minutes is up, sir.
Thank you.
Your time is up.
That's fine. Y'all's time is up. You keep acting like this is a game. Down playing shit.
Hey.
Over, the rest of us don't have to worry that much. Is that in today?
Does anybody else have any input on this situation?
Why don't you speak on it? You know a lot more than you're allowing. Why don't you speak to your fellow people what you know? Speak on it. Open your mouth. Tell them what you know.
Firm cases in the state of Colorado.
Are we saying it's not coming?
Pardon me?
Are you just saying it's not
No, that's
coming?
not what I said.
That's what we need to focus
Listen to
on.
my
Whether it's here
words.
today or
And
tomorrow.
according to the CDC, the risk of contracting the coronavirus in the United States, as of right now, are very, very slim. That the CDC believes that the risk is low. And I know you're going to sit there with a smirk like.
No, I want to know what's your plan. What is your plan? Miss asking wear your mask. Where are the masks for the seniors here? Where are your protection for your people, your investors here? Do you have nothing in place? If you have nothing in place, just say it.
There's things.
Just say it. You don't have a plan. You're sitting ducks.
Okay, this part of the meeting